Hello everyone, this is just a dad. Today I'm going to do a review on this FLIR 1 Pro. This is a thermal imaging camera. I've got it on my iPhone 13 Pro Max. It's very easy to install and you can see the different temperatures, and it even tells you the temperatures of wherever that dot is on the screen. Very, very nice. Okay, so when you first unbox it, here's the actual camera. This is what it looks like. This is the light. This is the one for lightning. So it's for an iPhone 13 or older. We have a power button here and we have USB-C. This is where you're going to charge it. There's a little light here and there's a light in the button. And on the other side, here's the actual thermal imaging cameras. Now we can move that lightning port up and down with this little thumb wheel, depending on what size case you have. There's at its maximum, right like that. It does come with this nice little storage case that you can store it in. It does come with a charging cable. Again, you do have to charge it for 40 minutes before you start using it. This is where you're going to charge it. The lightning connector will not charge it. So you will need the FLIR 1 app. Now the nice thing about this app is you don't have to log in or anything. It just starts working. It's going to show you how to use it. So there's the camera. It's going to tell you point the camera the same way these cameras are pointed, but you want to turn it on first. Now that's going to be red. That power button light's going to be like an orange color. It takes about 20 seconds for it to warm up, and then it's going to be flashing green, and that's normal. Once it's flashing green, then you can plug it in, or you can do this with it plugged into it, doesn't matter. Down here, you're going to pick which one you have. This is the one we have right like this. And again, it shows you how. You see the word FLIR, that's facing you in the screen. There, that green light is flashing. Now you're gonna just plug it in and it starts working. This thing is really cool. Again, it's gonna show you the different temperatures of everything. You can change the color. You can even go into a cool Arctic where the coldest spot is. You can record the screen. I can start hitting the record button and it'll record all the temperatures I'm taking. You know, there's my hand. It shows the temperature of my hand, 92 degrees. So this is pretty neat. I can change it comes in Celsius and measurement mode. There's the different dots. Got to click on the settings and change it to Fahrenheit. And again, there's what the camera looks like. And again, you move that so it fits your case. You do want this to be as snug as possible to your phone. But it just works. Sticks out from the phone approximately 1.5 inches by 2 3/4. It's not very thick, about a 1/2 inch thick. Again, charge it with USB-C. Plug it in. This is the lightning one and you're ready to go. When you're done, you can simply just unplug it and then press the power button and it should turn off. You won't see any lights. That's the little charging light right there. And that charging light kind of like flickers a green when it's charging. And then same when it's on, when it's powered on, that light's going to be orange for 20 seconds. That means it has to power up, and then it kind of flickers a green on the power switch. That means it's working. So I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.